The warning particulate filter regeneration required in your Volkswagen vehicle means that the DPF is getting more soot than it expects to have under normal conditions. This is not a critical fault yet, but if you just keep driving short cycles in city traffic after you get this warning, after several weeks or months, you may get limp mode, check engine light, and DPF issues that will be quite expensive to fix. So the DPF will regenerate passively in any modern Volkswagen vehicle when the exhaust temperature is high. So when the engine works for a prolonged period of time at relatively high RPMs. Basically, when you see this warning, you will need to go to a highway and drive your vehicle for 20-30 minutes with the RPMs about 3000 or a little higher. You may switch to manual mode in your transmission and limit it to the 4th or 5th gear to avoid driving at ridiculously high speed. Usually after about 20 minutes the warning disappears on its own, but if it comes back after a day of driving in the city, the problem may be more serious. For example, a faulty DPF differential pressure sensor may throw this warning, or a badly clogged DPF in a high mileage car may also trigger the message. But in such cases you will need professional help. And please remember that the modern diesel vehicle will need a good highway run once every month or so to avoid problems with the DPF that may end up being very expensive to solve.